Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to preserve your curls overnight so you can wake up the next morning and they're still looking perfect. The best thing is that you don't need any extra tools or crazy products to make this work. All you're going to need to do this is either a hair tie or a scrunchie, and that is it. I've even taken a headband before, doubled it up to act as a scrunchie, so if you don't have a hair tie or a scrunchie, something like this works as well. I just did my straightener curls as you saw opening this video, and I definitely want them to last to the next day. They are looking good today. First step is get your hair tie ready. Once your hair is up and your hands are all up in there, you're gonna want it accessible. And we're gonna be putting our hair on the very top of our head, leaning more towards the front. The reason why we're gonna put our hair the closest we can to our face rather than just on the very top of your head, more so in the middle, is if we put it in the middle, all your front pieces would be stretched, getting back to that point. And those are the pieces that fall directly in front of your face. So we wanna get it as close to our forehead as we can. And I know you're then probably thinking what's gonna happen to the back of your hair stretching to the front is those are gonna be the pieces that fall on the underside of the back of your head. Those don't really matter. We want the front and the outside looking good. The easiest way to do this is flip all your hair over your head, bunch it at the top and bring it back up. We're gonna flip our hair over our heads. And bring it as far forward as we can. From there, once you have all of your hair at the top of your head, you're gonna pull it through with your other hand and then grab on, making a bulb of hair with a little tail. Grabbing for that hair tie, you're gonna bring it around the bulb, keeping that tail out from the other side. Twist your hair tie once, bring it back around the bulb and stopping halfway through so you're cutting that bulb of hair in half. I'll do it again one more time so you can see. So we're gonna flip. I'm running my fingers just to kind of collect hair, and I'm gathering all of my hair to be as far forward as I can. Now that we have our hair at the very top of our head, what you're gonna do is put it all over to the side, start making that bun formation, and pull halfway through and hold it right there. Right now I'm just holding it with my fingers in the place that it would be if you just pulled the bun halfway through. So we have the top knot here and all the excess falling down. This is where the hair tie or scrunchie comes into the mix. With you holding this bulb of hair, you're gonna reach and grab your hair tie, bring it around, twist once. Once you twist the hair tie, you're gonna grab the bulb of your hair and pull it over so that it's almost going through half of the bun. So you're splitting that bun in half. And there we have it. It may not be the cutest looking of buns, but it doesn't matter because we're gonna be going to bed anyway. If you have a lot of hair or deal with frizziness, I've even seen people use a silk bonnet. You do the pineapple method bun, put the silk bonnet on and sleep throughout the night. It's giving Molly May Love Island. Obviously I'm filming this same day. I promise you that it preserves overnight. I have a couple videos on TikTok showing me waking up in the morning and the curls look the same. Honestly, sometimes even better than day one curls. Cut to the morning, you wake up, you wanna take the bun down. I grab the hair tie where it's splitting the bun in half, just kind of pull it open and shake it until the curls come down. From there, I'll fix the part and bring my hair forward, kind of assessing what the curls are looking like. And the only thing I do to get them looking smooth again is I'll take my wide tooth comb, I'll brush through the curls so that they get nice and smooth. The only other thing I do after taking the curls down, I won't reach for the heat, I'm not gonna curl any pieces. I will go in with a hair oil. This is by far my favorite hair oil. And this one is super lightweight. It's by the brand Lola V. It's their lightweight hair oil. I'll take out the dropper and drop a couple drops on my hand. And this even has like a water texture, so it's really not oily at all. I'm gonna rub it throughout my hands to get it warm. And I'll really just focus on the ends of my hair. And I'll work it up halfway, really just focusing on where the curls are. I'm not going anywhere towards the root. Because in my opinion, once you get on day 2 and day 3, the part of your hair that really shows that it wasn't day 1 fresh curls is the end. I'll then brush it out one more time. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you learn how to preserve your curls and we keep those curls looking great with no additional heat. I will leave links to all of my go-to hair products and tools in the description box below, as well as my in-depth straightener curls tutorial showing you how to curl your hair in 10 minutes with a flat iron. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and look out for more videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Yeah.